We're going to the snow and play. Uy, 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 uy. L. Luxembourg? No,
It's I think Italy.
I.
Yeah, it says
I.
E. I.
Yeah. So let's go if we can play in the snow. Snow. Hello.
La mine schiat, ducă la Skii, da.
Oh,
Nu m-a sus de tot.
la păpârche, a?
Da, eu nu pot să extra.
Mă duc până acolo să văd cum e. L-ai și pe copilul sor meu, serios? Îl vedem dacă e să
Say hello, Benny, to the uncle.
Sam relativ.
Say hello.
Nu prea, nu știe nimic. Când era mama, mă știa, acum nu mă știe. No, bun. Sănătate. Ia. Yeah?
We can go up there to visit, but for now, let's go to the snow. Unless somebody built the house here.
There's a lot of...
Snow, let it snow. The green is a family of pine tree that stay green even during the winter time. These are the trees, but some they will become like that, the color like gray, reddish. I don't know what kind of color, but they will change. But some they remain greeny, just like this. We're going up to the mount to see the big snow. Let it snow, let it snow. Snow. Benny, what is snow in Netherlands?
Sneeuw.
Snow, yeah. Beautiful. Look. And here you go. You can see now a lots of snow.
Nederlands is het.
Snow, so very snow. And you can see the hotels down there.
Zoveel hotels.
Yeah, so very
Sledding
hotels.
instead of snowing.
Yeah. And if you want to visit here and you want to stay in the mount, you can. So here you go. More hotels.
What?
No? Wow, a lot of people. So, more hotels and more hotels to stay, and also there in that side, in the side. So you don't have to worry if you visit here in Romania. You will enjoy the snow and you can stay there in that hotels. Look over there, a lot of people.
If you don't drive here, if you stop, you cannot drive anymore.
Ah,
Yeah.
really?
It's ice.
Ah. And then you don't have the chain, huh?
You don't need it. For the moment.
For the moment you don't need, because they clean the road. But if they don't clean, you really need a chain. more hotels up there. More. So, welcome guys. See the beautiful place,
Wait, I can take like this.
guys. Huh?
I can take it like this.
Look at my nephew. Look at that. It's very nice.
It's more colder one day. It'll be Whoa!
That's
Ooh,
right.
that scared me.
That's
Look at my
right.
feet. That scared me for a minute. I stepped right here and ooh.
Be careful, huh?
What? Look what I found.
What is that?
Big snowball. Look what happens if I step right here.
You will topple down
Oh,
there.
That's see that
Yeah.
how deep that is.
You make a huge hole.
Yeah. Let me wait for you. I
Let's
missed.
go.
That's freezing cold.
Benny, smile. Okay.
See, look how he's doing. I'm being risky.
Yeah, be careful.
Boy, I just fell
Ah.
through the ice.
Look at my shoes. It's open behind.
Look at dog.
Benny, look at my shoes.
That's the word. You cannot come in the snow with these shoes.
That's true. I forgot.
Hey!
Not in the plan, guys. Look at my shoes. It's open behind. Ah. Not so much people. Anyway, it's already nearly 3 o'clock.
Yeah, wait.
Have a music. Trying to talk here, but there's a music. Look, there's a music and it's very loud. Ouch! 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 Benny! Benny! My sister-in-law did not come yet. Look at him. Look at him. Say hello. Hello. Yeah. Come, try again. Yeah. Go. Okay. That's so much fun. Yeah, you can't go there. He wants to throw something on me. Ow! And that cable car there will bring you all the way up there. Yes, that one. But of course, ow! You miss again, although you are close to me. Huh? He went to the forest inside. He just looked. He will come.
My shoes will go flying. It's not that it's very high up. Look.
Look, that cable car will bring you all the way up there.
It's a bit too hard to fly.
Yeah, but not so much people, huh? Anyway, it's already
Yeah, it's very cool.
nearly 3 o'clock. Hoy! Ow!
The harder ones.
You're... Ow!
See, see.
Ow!
That one I missed.
You miss again?
But I think you hit this one.
Don't hit my phone, okay? Ow!
Maybe I will.
Hoy! My phone is already broken.
From how long ago?
Ah, a long time.
Benny, come here. Come. They're coming, they're coming. I know, not yet.
Ben, go there.
Come here to take video. Okay. Ayan. Wow, your hand is very cold. Yeah, I use my hand. Ouch. Whew. Not really cold, eh? Not really. What did you do behind me? Nothing. Shashi, make a photo of me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna slide. Buddy.
Naughty girl. We did not finish our food that we bought. Huh? We don't really like to eat, huh?
No, because we eat there.
No, even if we don't, we just eat there this morning.
And yesterday?
Yesterday also.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but not much because we are eating in Dani, we are eating in Marina.
No, sweet, sweet.
Yeah, and then in the family of we visit a lot of family yesterday, huh? Chipri.
We said we go to that.
You know that in Belgium, Benny, it's
1 hour behind.
behind. Yeah.
It's 1 hour in front.
Yes, that's true. You don't see?
I see, but just like, well, it's not so big.
So beautiful.
A lot of planning with this one.
Until they do all the plans that they want.
Let's finish the work.
Yeah, that's true. Why God decided it to be like this? Of course, because of sin.
You see, down it's raining and it's a little warm, and here it's
Snow.
snowing, and you can enjoy.
Yeah.
Just few.
There in the
minutes.
village, it's not that cold.
No,
It's
but
bearable.
When we
Huh?
come, it was, you see, it's snow, ice.
Yeah, when we come. But because of the rain, it was melted and it's a little bit, the temperature also changed. But it's still very good because this mount is very close to us. Maybe 30 minutes, huh? 20.
You know what Dorina said yesterday to me? Rich people, not like rich how they was before. It was the kings,
Yeah.
and the kings in his palace have also some vice president, blah blah blah, which they are also not vice president, but I don't know the name. Which they are also rich, but not so rich like the king, you know.
And she can still remember.
Yeah, and she said because her grandfather was working like not slave, but like go and ask every home that if you have work, you know.
Uh-huh.
And but he don't ask like that, but he was that, he have that